In this video, I'll show you how to put up a landing page that does one job. A landing page is not your website. Your website is where somebody browses. A landing page is where somebody decides. One offer, one button, nothing else to click, and that is exactly why they convert better than a page with a menu across the top. It's under Sites in the left menu. Bloom Wellness already has one up for their coaching offer. Every page you build gets its own web address you can put in an email, a text, an ad, or a bio link, and Preview shows you the real thing before anybody else sees it. Let's build a new one. Name it. This one is internal, just so you can find it again in the list, and it is not what your visitor sees. Create. Now, and this is the bit I like about how this is built. It does not force you down one road. There are 3 honest ways to make this page, and the screen says so instead of hiding 2 of them. And look what you start with. Not a blank page, but 7 sections already in the order that genuinely sells. The promise, the problem, what you're offering, the proof, what they get, the objections, and the ask. Each one arrives with a note telling you what that section is for, so you are filling in prompts rather than staring at nothing. You can fill those in yourself, and plenty of people do, but there is a faster way, and this is your own AI key, connected in settings, so the words are generated on your account and you pay your provider directly. We are not reselling you tokens with a markup on top. The brief is where the quality comes from. 3 or 4 sentences about what it is, who it is for, and what you want them to do at the end. Be specific. Who the audience is and what happens next matter far more than adjectives. Generate page. While it thinks, here's what it is doing. It is not writing 7 paragraphs of waffle. It is filling that structure section by section in the order I just described. So you get a page with a shape to it rather than a wall of text, and you get it as a draft you own and edit, not as something locked inside a template you cannot touch. And there it is, a whole page drafted with a preview of the real thing beside it. Every section is listed down the left, and you can open any of them and rewrite a word or all of it. The arrows move a section up or down, the cross deletes it, and the little circular arrow rewrites just that one section with AI while leaving the rest of your page alone. That last one is the one you'll use most because it is almost always one section that is not landing rather than the whole page. Save as you go. The Settings tab is where the page gets its address and its search engine title and description. The 2 lines that show up in Google and when somebody shares your link. Underneath, there is room for your own domain, so this can live at offer.yourbusiness.com rather than on our address. Back to the content, and there is one button left. Publish. That is the page live on its own address, ready to paste into an email or an ad. Unpublished takes it straight back down again, which is how you run a page for one weekend offer and then quietly retire it. And it joins the list with its address and a preview link next to it. This is what one of these looks like when it is finished. One promise at the T, one button, and no menu to wander off into. Everything on it is pushing at one decision. So that's landing pages. Describe the offer once, let it draft the page, rewrite the sections that are not right, and publish. Build one for the single thing you most want to sell this month, put your booking link on the button, and I'll see you in the next one.